What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Like always, I am your favorite Liberian boy Fizzle. In today's video, we're going to be doing a day in the life, which means you're going to be coming along with me, seeing how I spend my day. Today also is my mother's birthday, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. And within this video, I'm going to be telling you the future of my channel or the future of my Facebook page, because I also upload videos on my Facebook page. So guys, today is a Sunday morning. This is my new place I moved, and we're right next to the ocean. So every morning I come here, let me show you. I come here just so that I can look at the ocean, behind me. Anyways, let's get into the stack. So my YouTube channel is about to hit 3,000 subscribers. I pray by the time I drop this video, it will be on 3,000 subscribers. But the goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube for this year. And the one I'm more grateful for and surprised at is my Facebook page. My Facebook page went from I think around 2,000 followers. Now it's on 8,000 followers. It's about to hit 9,000 followers. So I am very grateful, guys. Please don't think I'm ungrateful. I'm very grateful for you guys following me, liking my video, sharing my video. I think the best video on my Facebook page and my YouTube channel right now is the Unification Park. You understand? When I did that video, I never knew it was going to go viral, but I think it has up to 400 shares alone on Facebook, and then on YouTube, I think it has up to 7,000 views. So I'm grateful. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying my content. Enough about that. From here, I'm going to be going to Mama Point Hotel. That's where, we plan on celebrating my mother's birthday. Hence, today is my mom's birthday. I personally feel like every birthday should be celebrated, because you know what? You only turn that age one time in a year. So why not celebrate it? You understand? Yeah, man. So I'm going now to get ready. We'll see how the day goes. Alright guys, so we are here at Mama Point Hotel. This is where the surprise is gonna happen, and we reserved a room here, just for the surprise. I can't wait to see her face when everybody screams surprise. We have people already showing up. There are more people coming, more family. We have her boss here, her lawyer here, her friend here. Got Ruby on the other side, and me, her son, is here. So more people are coming, and yeah, stay tuned. So guys, they said that she's almost on her way here, and she's in the car asking, where are they taking me? So everybody's trying to move on the other side of the room so that, we can surprise her. Want to say hi?
Hi.
That's a surprise voice. Hi.
Happy birthday, so let's have a wonderful time. And then when you say our lady sweet, then you see your kid and you're like, okay. And now kids close. And then Fata, sweetheart, and everybody on this table so lovely and kind family. I'm privileged to be part of your happy birthday.
Please excuse me, I'm under the weather. If I sit here and start talking about her or talking about them, you might say, what do you expect him to say? Like his sisters. So I won't be too long, I'll just be very short. My point of statement here is to say thank you to the organizer for the man that provided this lunch. Thank you so much. Thank you for all you have done. And to all of you for being here, family members, friends, and whatsoever. Thank you for coming. I know it's hard getting up early in the morning, but it was worth it, because even though we got up early in the morning, but the food is good. The food is good. I see my man back there. He's not complaining. He complained a little bit, but right now, you okay, right? Okay, thank you. So thank you all for coming, and God bless everyone.
Morning. Evelyn, something funny went on for a long time. Ellen being my friend, Rookie being my friend, we didn't even know we were ever related. So all we knew we were friends. Until later on, something happened back in the village. That's when we knew we were related. Yeah. So
I'm with you.
yeah. And they're my cousins. But Ellen is such a sweet person. I don't want to say much. Ellen, all I want to say, happy birthday. And as Miara said, I want the slogan again. That slogan. Nobody will catch up on us. So as you can see, nobody is catching up on us. Happy. Because they're not catching up on us. Because they're not catching up on us. All the young ladies not catching up on us. Happy birthday, my CEO. And this is my CEO, my honorable ambassador. I want to say thank you all for this delicious breakfast. I'm enjoying myself. Happy birthday.
Good morning to everyone. In Faith Healing Temple, we say this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Yeah. First day, let me say thank you to my brother and our boss man for organizing this breakfast. You see these kind of things happening once in a while. People who are people-centered, people who, like to be with other people. They are the one people who are conscious of themselves and having humanitarian feelings. They are the one who normally would do these kind of things. So thank you so much for bringing us together as a family. To the celebrant, I've been knowing you for the rest of my life. When we were much younger, we used to fuss and all of that, but it really never used to go any further. As young women, and until we got older, we have always been there for each other. Especially you, when I eat all my reset money, you will keep your money and buy reset for me. So you have always played a motherly role in my life. I appreciate you for that, and you're still doing it. Forget about whether I represented it or not, you're still doing it. And so I appreciate you for that. And today the Lord have added another year to your life. I want to be grateful to God, and I want to say I wish you all of the best. Whatsoever your heart desires, whatsoever your wishes are, plus all the good things that life has in store for you, I want to wish you a happy, blessed, prosperous birthday.
Good morning, everybody. It is certainly a pleasure to meet Evelyn's family. When the idea came to do something for Evelyn's birthday, I must admit that I was thinking about a small, intimate birthday celebration with my co-counsel and my powerful counsel. No joke, that's her name. Most powerful counsel, that's her name. When Counsel Weaver asked a question, I tell him, I say, go talk to the powerful counsel. When y'all figure it out, y'all let me and Counsel Super know. When y'all done, y'all let me and Counsel Super know. We'll take a look, and then we'll give y'all the go ahead. Now we'll take a look and correct y'all. We'll take a look and give y'all the go ahead, okay? But it is a pleasure. It's a personal honor to meet the family. I'll tell you all what, when I relocated home, I wanted to establish my law firm here. I'd spoken with Miata about it long before I came home. So she knew my vision. My vision was not to establish the usual Liberian law firm, but to establish something that would transcend what Liberians deal with here. I wanted to establish a firm that will foremost be a corporate law firm, but that will elevate the young upcoming lawyers to grow in the standards of international practice and partner with someone who has international experience, someone who has been out there, okay? I use the word partner, not grow from down there to keep trying to make it, but the partner. And you're going to be my partner from the jump. So Miata made a recommendation. I said, yeah, I'm willing to interview a few people. Set up this appointment. Evelyn walks in the door. I get up to shake Evelyn's hand, and my spirit tells me, this is your partner. And I'm like, did you see me do that when you walked in the door? Because that's what I did. So I shake her hand, and she sit down. And instead of interviewing Evelyn for this partnership, I started to tell her what I expect of her as my partner. Is that right? And then I get through telling my future partner what I expect, and my future partner say, I'll think about it. Something's not clicking here. I'm telling this woman that she's my future partner. And yeah, you gotta understand something. This is Counselor Stewart telling my future partner what I'm expecting of my partner. This is Counselor Stewart talking. And my partner is telling me, I'll think about it. I said, okay, you think about it, let me know. And sure enough, all things works out. Because you see, everything works out. When you leave it in the Lord's hand, everything does work out. And all I did was, I just received what was a message for me personally. Not a message for her, but what was a message for me. My message was, this is your partner. And I just received that message and I was good with that. Whatever she had to think of. Okay. And we have worked together perfectly since then. Evelyn is my partner. She's in charge of the firm, and I just let her run with what she needs to run with. We are going to grow. We are going to build, and this is her firm. Counselor Weaver knows that. Counselor Superwood knows that. After all, she's their powerful counselor, so they know what's going on. But the thing here is that when you leave it in the Lord's hand, God is going to give you the direction in which you need to go. And for me, I trust the Lord. All I do is say, to God be the glory, because that's my mantra. When I was getting ready to pack up and come home to do this, I had no idea how I was going to make it. But God told me that this was my time to do this. And I said, to God be the glory, I'll do it. The opportunity that came for me to be able to make it was the opportunity that came for me to be able to make it. And to God be the glory. When I met Evelyn, that was my message. I had no idea that I would meet a family that would be giving her these kind of accolades. So I know that this was the right thing to do now. If I had any doubt, you guys definitely have proven to me that that was the thing to do. So thank you all for proving to me that that was the thing to do. So no doubts, it's all good. Right, Counselor? They prove it to me, right? Yes, well, there we go. I'm good with all that. Thank you all for coming. Thank you for accepting the invitation. Evelyn, happy birthday. I would not have hesitated one iota to celebrate your birthday because I believe in you. I believe that we're doing things. We're gonna go places, and all these prophecies that have come your way, Daniel, I'm gonna receive some of the blessings that come in your way. And folks, I got one last message, Daniel, about that one thing when I greeted you. No, I'm just kidding. When he walked in, he introduced himself to me. That's what I did to him. I said, you know, I've heard so many wonderful things about you, but there was just one little thing. And he said, what? So, I'm just kidding. But thank you all for coming and accepting our invitation. Happy birthday, Evelyn. It's just a joy to see you all. Thanks everybody for coming. I hope the meal was satisfying. I see the smiles, so I guess it was. Thanks again, everybody.
If God is for us. Yeah. And so I just want to say thank you to all of you. At least today I was surprised. For once. But I was just joking. So I said, yeah, give me 30 minutes, I would have figured out that something was up. So I want to say thank you to all of you. I'm so surprised today. Even the children in the house, they even show any sign I was leaving here. I'm telling them, y'all try to clean up, I will be right back. Reluctantly left the house this morning. Yeah, so I'm overwhelmed with joy this morning, especially being in the midst of my family. Everybody I consider my family because I see some of my close associates around here, and I consider all of you family. I'm so happy today. I was not looking at today to be like this. We were planning a dinner. I said, well, we'll postpone it. All I wanted to do today was just lie down in bed and reflect. And so I didn't want to leave the house, but I'm not regretting leaving the house. I'm overfilled with joy. And for all those who wish a more contract, I want to trade back to you to help us to get those contracts, especially my honorable here. So guys ain't coming over there to negotiate for oil or whatsoever we are here. Okay, so we'll be reaching out to you to help us to get our contract so our dream can come true. Again, I want to say thank you. Got it good, eh?
Hopping on the plane, in a different country with each other, change your last name. Tell me, is you with it? Cause I'm with it. Why don't you feel the same? Down, 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 down. Knew you was different from the start, love. How you learn? They never taught love. You keep it peaceful and equal. I'm used to wars, love, hard love. I'm used to trauma, used to drama. Got a list of bad exes, plus I got a baby mama.
Yeah, man, guys, and we are back home. So, I mean, I enjoy myself. It's nice seeing family again. Every time I have the chance to see my family, I try to, make myself available to see family. And I'm happy that my mom was surprised for the very first time. I don't think she likes surprises though, but I'm happy that she was surprised and shocked, you understand? So today was great. Speaking on the channel, more videos, more content, more documentary style video will be coming up. So, keep checking the page, keep checking my Facebook page, keep checking the YouTube channel. I have started to go back to my old schedule of posting videos. I'm going to be posting videos now every Sunday in a week. So in a month, it's 4 times. We're going to post video 4 times in a month. And then it's going to be dropping every Sunday. So hopefully you guys watch the future videos. So very soon we'll be heading to 10,000 followers on Facebook and 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. So there's nothing else I can say, but thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for supporting my brand, Fizzle, all the brand Fizzle. And until next time, peace.